This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
Turn slightly to the left as you swing both arms up and back while looking up and kicking up behind you with your right foot. When your right foot comes back down, look at the camera and bend your right elbow 90 degrees to bring your right hand up in front of your face, then quickly bring your left hand up in the same manner. Bend your knees as you tilt your head back and extend your right arm forward and to the left, palm facing up. Stand up straight again and return your right arm to its previous position. Extend your right arm up and to the left and your left arm down and to the right as you tilt your head to the left, turn your heels in, and bend your knees outward. Bend your elbows so that your right hand is near your forehead and your left hand is near your stomach as you turn your heels out and knees in and tilt your head back up. Switch back to the previous position, then switch again, then once again before straightening your legs, tilting your head back up, and moving your arms out to either side so that they are bent at 90-degree angles with your right hand up and your left hand down. Hop in place to bring your feet together, then turn to the right and step over to your left with your left foot as you turn your right arm so that your hand is down and extend your left arm down into the left. Hold this pose for another count. Extend both arms up and to the right quickly as you kick up behind you with your left foot, then bring your left foot back down as you extend your arms straight out to either side. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you turn to the left to face the camera again, and bend your elbows to bring your right arm over your left arm in front of your chest. Bend your elbows with your palms facing in, and bring your right knee up slightly as you move your hands up a bit, then bring your right knee up further as you extend your arms straight up before bringing your right foot and arms back down. Keeping your elbows bent, spin your arms outward in 2 circles, then spin them out again, but lower your arms to your sides this time as you jump to bring your feet apart. Jump again to bring your feet together as you put your right arm on top of your left arm in front of your chest, then bring your right palm to the left side of your head and bring the back of your left hand to the right side of your face. Step out to the right with your right foot so that your toes point to the right as you tilt your head to the right. Turn your right heel away from the camera as you tilt your head to the left, then switch back to the previous position. Switch positions 2 more times so that you end with your right knee bent to the right, then swing your arms clockwise to switch their positions. Take 4 steps back, starting on the left foot, then hop in place and hold your pose for 3 counts.